Hello guys, today we will do work for our rectus abdominis muscles called abs. So take a mat, a yoga mat on the floor. We'll do all the exercises on the floor. So it's a circuit training, so we'll do every exercise for 30 seconds. You can take 10 seconds or 20 seconds break in between, but you have to do in a circuit. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth exercise in a circuit. 30 seconds, 10-second break, 30 second, 10-second breaks. Okay, let's move on to our first exercise.
Lift your legs off the floor, pull your knees towards your chest and straighten your legs again. Don't touch the floor, legs should be off the floor. Squeeze your lower tummy inside. Keep it squeezing all over the exercise. Yes, very good. Keep going, go on your pace. You can go slow, you can go fast, it's over you. But don't touch the floor and squeeze your tummy inside. Keep it squeezing, squeezing. Don't give up. Keep going. 3, 2, 1 and release. Second exercise is called reverse crunches. Don't forget to squeeze your tummy, legs should be off the floor, bend your knees towards the ceiling 90 degree. Lift your pelvic up with the stomach muscles and let's go. Yeah, keep going. While you're doing this exercise, don't push with your hands. Use your stomach muscles to lift your pelvic and push your heels towards the ceiling. Keep going. Don't stop. Legs should be off the floor. 3, 2, 1 and release. Bend your knees and place your feet hip distance apart. Cross your hands on your shoulders, squeeze your tummy and crunch towards your knees. This exercise is called dead crunches. Don't forget to squeeze your tummy, keep going. Squeeze your tummy, keep going. Don't cheat, don't push with your shoulders. Squeeze your tummy and use your stomach muscles to perform the crunches. Keep going, you can go slow if you're tired, but don't stop. 3, 2, 1 and release. Lift your legs off the floor and walk faster with your legs straight. Don't forget to squeeze your tummy. Keep going and now change your legs and crisscross them, cross up and down. First is flutter kicks and second is crisscross. And relax. Keep your legs straight. Flex your feet. Don't forget to squeeze your tummy. 15 seconds. Now change your legs up and down. Cross, cross, cross. Keep going, keep going. Don't give up. Squeeze your tummy. Keep squeezing. And relax. Last exercise, sit on the floor, back straight, legs off the floor. Push your legs forward and yourself towards back. Second time, tilt towards the right and towards the left. 2 times in the front, then to the right and to the left. Squeeze your tummy inside. Keep your back straight. This is important. Keep your back as straight as you can. 2 times forward. 1 to the right, 1 to the left. Keep going, keep going. Legs off the floor. And relax. 30 seconds. First exercise. Keep going. Break for 10 seconds. Relax, breathe. And start second exercise. Don't forget to squeeze your tummy in every exercise. Keep going, don't touch the floor. Squeeze your tummy. Legs straight. 3, 2, 1 and relax. 10-second break. Breathe, relax. Relax your muscles and let's go. Squeeze your tummy. Keep squeezing. Keep going. Don't stop. Ten-second break. Let's go. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Let's start. Flutter kicks for 15 seconds. Keep going. Squeeze your tummy. Now change the legs. Up and down, crisscross. And relax. 10-second break. Breathe. Relax your stomach. And 3, 2, 1 on your position. Keep your back straight. 2 times forward. Inside. Side. Squeeze your tummy inside. Keep going. You're doing great. And relax. Very good. Lie down on the floor, hands in line with your ears, your elbows touching your chest. First go only till your elbows, then push your elbows up. Keep your pelvic on the floor, your legs closed. And slowly come down. And thank you so much.